Today in this session, I'm going to discuss about a website which is free to use to practice your different concept of your Selenium. And that is very good website. And the name of the website is, you can say that, jqueryui.com. So this website contains most of the feature which are, you can say, utilized or which are used in every web application. And in the Selenium, we know that we need to perform operations on different components of a application. It can be a radio button, it can be a drop down, it can be a list, it can be auto complete. So we have different type of, you can say, options to make a automation. So with the help of this website, you can make practice on those things. For example, this is my, if you click on this one left, in the left menu, we have options draggable. So if you click on draggable, you will see that we have option that we can make a practice of drag only here. If you want to make a practice drag and drop, you can select this option droppable. And here you can say that I will drag this element and put on my drop here. So this is a good option to make a practice of drag and drop. Then we have an option of resizable here. You can make a resize here. You can set this one. Okay. And now we have option to selectable. Here you can make a practice that you can select the single options, or I want to select the multiple options. So we can use the control button for that. Let me, I select one. And with the help of control, I can select the multiple options. So you can make a practice on this one. Then we have a sortable option. In the same way, you can say that, you can say, let me show you this thing. We have a sortable option. So here, what you can do, you can take it as an assignment from me that you have to, you can say sort, you have to, you can say arrange in an order, where first of all, you have to put all the, you can say odd items in a sequence, and then you have to put the even items. Like I want to 1, then 3, then 5. Oh, sorry, 1, 3 here, and then 5 here. Okay, let me put 5 here. Yeah. And now we have to make a 7 here. So my sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, then 2, 4, 6. So just see that if you are able to perform this thing or not. So you have to perform it. Now we can take the example of accordion. So here you can say we have accordion, like you know that this feature is called accordion, where you have one section and you can put some paragraph here, and now you can simply collapse it. You can say this one, and you can select the another one. So whenever you are selecting the another one, it will close the previous one. This is called accordion. Now we have a very good feature that is called autocomplete. Autocomplete is a very good feature, and that is used nowadays in every website. Like for example, I'm going to put some text here, and it will give the option, and now you have to select the option like for something like whatever you can see that. So we will talk about all other options also, which is available here, and you can make a practice on that. But before that, let me show you that I'm also doing the same thing. Like you can say using these options, I have made a small automation where I'm just trying to make a practice of draggable, droppable, resizable, selectable, and autocomplete. So I will show you that I've written a code for that, and I will put this code in the description of this video also. But you have to make a practice by your own, and you can practice other options also. So we will talk about the other option, but let me run it and see that it's working fine or not. So let me run it. I've given a, you can say a hard-coded thread.sleep here so that you guys can see automation on the screen. So this is my website. Now I will click on, you can say, first of all, I will click on draggable. So it clicked on draggable. Now I've dragged it. So now a second option is that I will click on droppable, and now I will drag it. Yeah, this one. Now third thing is that I can do the resizable. That is a very good option to practice. You can say that I've resized it. Now you can select the, you can say selectable, and in the selectable, I'm just, you can say selecting the multiple values together. So just see that how you can make it perform. Okay, you can take the help from my code. Now let's see that auto complete code where I'm just putting the P and then I'm selecting the coordinate. So in this way, I'm just, you can say I've just written a small code for these components, and you can also take the advantage to make your practice here. Let me close it here, and now let me go to the website again here. So as I told you, you have an option of button also, so you can have options to click on buttons also. Okay, then you have checkbox radio here. You can see that. So you can, for example, you can try to click on Paris, and then you can try to click on this one. The feature of radio button is that you can select one at a time, and but in the checkboxes you can select multiple here. So you can practice here. Okay, and in the, you can say nested, you can say that, you can check it here also. Okay, so now you can say that you can work on the, you can say control group also, this one. Okay, and lots of options are there. Date picker, we have date is also a very good topic of the interviews, where you can select the date. Here you have to click on next, and or the you can say whenever you need to select a future date. Then we have a dialog. Okay, you can say that we have a dialog here. Whenever you one dialog is there, mostly you have to click on close that, so you can practice on that. Then we have menu. Okay, then we have progress bar here. Okay, this one, progress bar, you can select that what is the progress here. You can say that you can track that. You have a slider. Slider is also very, you can say, good thing. You can say that you can select that how you can click on the slider with the help of that. And now we have a spinner. Okay, so we have a spinner also. So many things are there. Tabs we have here. So whenever you want to click on tabs here, and you can verify all the things, the text is there. Then you have a tool tips here. So lots of things are there. You can say if you want to see some effects, if you want to make a practice on some effect, you can say automation, like you can say add class here. So you can see that I will show you the run effect. You can see that this one. So you can make you can say testing of that auto complete. So a color animation. So suppose take the example, there is a feature like you can make a animation on here. So you can, how you can verify animation is working. For example, I click on that. So you have to verify, okay, size is increased, the you can say the text is something like that changed. So whatever you have to, you can make a practice on that. So lots of things are there to make a, you can say, good practice here. So I hope you will utilize this website for your practice purpose. And if you have any, you can say, whenever you are doing some practice, if you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment of this video. If you are not able to perform any particular automation, any particular scenario in this website, I will help you on that by just giving you the comment. You can say, you can put me you can put your queries in the video, as well as after putting the your queries and the in the comment section, you can put your doubts to me on my WhatsApp number. I will try to solve your query. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click you can click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.